gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do.
Hey guys, happy Saturday and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be super chill, but kind of fun at the same time. Me and Jenna have to go to the grocery store. We haven't been to the grocery store in a minute, so we want to go to the grocery store and get a couple things. And then I still have to make my bed, and I want to like clean up my room a little bit. Nothing like too crazy, but just like kind of wipe down the counters and stuff like that. And then yeah, hop in the shower and get ready.
Every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive.
Now you guys know that there's something about making your bed every morning. I'm telling you, please, if you don't believe me in anything, believe me when I tell you this. Making your bed in the morning helps to make your day feel more productive, and it helps with everything else actually getting done for the rest of the day. When you make your bed, you feel like, okay, wow, I've done this, I've did it, and it just gives you the motivation to do everything else. So if there's one thing I can tell you to do in the day, I'm telling you, girl, is to make your bed.
In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways.
I know you guys are like, does this girl really have a mini fridge in her room? And yes, I have a mini fridge in my room. I live in a 4-story house, so if that's including the basement. So for me to like go down in the fridge, like on the main floor, it's like a lot for me sometimes. Sometimes I don't want to like walk up the stairs and stuff like that. So I made sure to get a mini fridge. And if you guys want to know what mini fridge is, I don't remember the brand, but I will put it in the description box below for you guys to go purchase, because I'm telling you right now, this mini fridge is life, and it's one of the best purchases that I ever made in my life.
To play, and you couldn't handle that I had my way.
I guess a little bit of the blush I put on my nose.
Oh, shut up.
I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. I found your matrix and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but you didn't win this.
I hate lines.
Whoa, there's so many good cakes here.
Ooh, their cheesecake was amazing.
Yeah, because you had it for Christmas, right?
Yeah.
We're just looking right now. Thank you.
I want that.
Which one do you want?
This one. Single white one.
The white one?
That one is
Huh?
Oh, I never see that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Okay, bye. So this is something that I found, you guys. It's called Liberty's Village. It's extra dry cider Ontario apples, and it's 0 sugar. Zero sugar, guys.
This is apple cider.
Yeah.
Ew.
I've had apple cider before. I like it. You don't like it?
We're gonna squeeze some sweetener in there.
You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it love.
So I found mild jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna be using this for the pot because I feel like the whole pot will be like pepper if we use the pepper one. You know what I mean? You guys will be like shitting bricks.
So you got that, and what else do you got?
And I got obviously the hot one.
Oh, you're gonna mix it.
No, this is for another day.
Oh, okay.
You tear down every wall that I built up.
Hi, Jenna.
Hi. So I bought this. How's this foundation look? Cause you know I bought new makeup, guys, finally, and I struggled because you know how all the stores are closed. So I had to literally just guess my foundation online, and I think it was successful. He has blood all in his mouth. He just woke up.
Hey, Hallie.
Hi.
Hallie.
Guys, me and Auntie J have the same phone case. And she's jealous.
Say hi, guys.
Say hi, Rainbow.
Look at the camera. Say
What?
a little mini me.
Yeah, you guys, this is me when I was little. Oh my gosh, look on the hairstyle. Look at the hairstyle.
But you saw the exact same thing.
Guys, this was me when I was a little girl. I think I was like 6. Like 6, 5, 6 around here.
Let me see what you. Let me see what.
Ew, I look so busted. Puke.
Oh, little Janielle.
You're so rude!
Hey guys, so today I was feeling for Rasta pasta, but of course I wanted to keep it low carb / keto friendly. So of course I decided to use cabbage because I feel like cabbage is the best alternative for noodles. I like it better than zucchini noodles, to be honest with you. So
Me too!
yeah, I think it's better and it has more substance.
Yes!
Yes. So I'm here. I'm just cutting up my vegetables. I didn't really go too fancy with everything. I just cut up some bell peppers and some mushrooms and some onions, and yeah, just kept it very simple.
For nothing, just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time. I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone. Nothing can stop me. You should go out.
Okay, so after I sliced up my chicken, I'm just seasoning it up. So I can't remember everything that I use, but everything will be listed in the description box below, so do not worry.
You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright?
Okay, so the main ingredient for Rasta pasta is the jerk sauce, and I did use a mild jerk sauce. I'm not sure if I showed it, but I'm pretty sure I did. So it's just a basic Alfredo sauce that I always make with the cream cheese and the whipping cream and garlic and all that, and then I added in the jerk seasoning directly to the sauce, so it has that jerk flavor. It turned out amazing.
Amazing.
I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights.
Okay, so now it's time to add the chicken, and guys, let me tell you that when I was cutting up the chicken, I was also snacking on the chicken. Like, it was good on its own. It was so good. I kind of wish I kind of just served it on top of the Alfredo, because like I just wanted the chicken. Like, it was just so good. But adding it to the Alfredo was also, obviously a good choice too, because I got the maximum of Alfredo jerk flavor. It was like the best of both worlds. Like, you can equally taste the difference. Like, you can taste the jerk, but you can also taste the Alfredo, and it was absolutely amazing. Even my daughter ate it. She's not really big on vegetables, but she ate this down like over the course of 3 days. So it was an A+.
'Cause I keep on falling. Need to let you go to find myself.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it.
And I hope you'll try the recipe.
Alright, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Just make